how our community comes together. I think we can improve a lot in that sense, and this is an effort in that direction. We unfortunately have lost a lot of heritage because of what has happened in the past. I don't want to make any political, statements in what has happened and what's not, but of course we have lost our tradition and culture. Our kids don't know our language properly. They are not aware of our traditions and culture and all that stuff. So KHCS is an initiative whereby we will try to inculcate all those things in our kids. And the responsibility to Savians, which is a Savian collective responsibility. If I have to talk in Kashmiri, is one shot. We feel shy of doing these things, especially, my generation, where that's what I've seen over a period of time. Not in places like Jammu and all, but especially when we come out, that is what we have seen most of the time. And therefore, we don't want our kids to follow that. So personally, my wife and me, we make attempt, कोशिश करा to ensure patient closure, human inspire system functions, culture, values, as much as possible. It's a multicultural society, so you have to keep that in consideration also. So this is a hard work of a lot of team members, especially Raman, Punita, Sandeep, Arun Ravi, Sandeep Paul, including our better half. This has been going on for almost a year. That we have been thinking कि कैसे करें क्या करें. And Bhagwati ये दो double So that's what I can tell you about this. The puja will start in 5 minutes. But important part why we chose this is because again we want our kids to know certain function comes. With lot of vigor. But if you actually go back in our culture, Diwali was one day function for us. Savare puja hota the sham se start from Diwali. But that is not how Diwali is celebrated outside in the northern part of India. Saripatra was day 13, Janmashtami, here, fun. That is what we are trying to follow now. Ashiyasan's learning function is learning cultural doors. Think otherwise, don't shouldn't even kya os, kya is this after Shapat. So without going too much into detail, I will invite Sandeep. I would like him to speak a few words.
Thank you, Rana. Thank you so much. Thank you everybody to be a part of it. He has covered most of the points, like CHECS, whatever organization, whatever association stands for. Whatever we're doing almost now 6 to 7 months.